How to log out of Plex on any device. Hey there, welcome back to Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to log out of Plex application on your device. So let's get started. First of all, launch open Plex application on your device. You can do this in any device you have, such as mobile devices, desktop or laptops, or smart TVs. Once you open up the Plex application, go to the profile icon or the initial at the top right corner and tap on it. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Account. You will then come across this menu where you'll see a Sign Out button. Tap on that. Now in the pop-up, click Continue and follow through the instructions. Soon after you do that, you'll be redirected to the sign-in area, which means you'll be logged out of your Plex application. This process works on any device that you have, such as mobile device, tablets, computers, laptops, or smart TV. So that is how you can easily sign out or log out of Plex on any device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.